Hello students and welcome to class 5th English first online lectures. I hope you all be safe and healthy at your homes. Stay home, stay safe. Don't get out of your homes unnecessarily. Students, today I am going to commence our 5th chapter from our prime English book. The chapter's name is To the Amazon. This is a conversation between two brothers, Zad and Suleiman, about an adventurous trip to Amazon. So they are gathering information about the river Amazon and its rainforest, its basin and wildlife, etc. So before starting the chapter, I want to ask few questions from you all. Have you ever heard of world's largest river? Yes, largest, not the longest. It is the Amazon River. Do you know it is situated in which continent in the world? And do you know from where it originates and where it drains? Do you also know about the largest rainforest in the world? It is the Amazon rainforest. And here you will also find the biggest tree, which are as tall as 200 feet, and world's biggest leaves, which are approx 3 meters wide. Also, you will find there 3000 varieties of fruits, 300 types of fishes, and 2 million species of insects. Are these questions not making you curious about to read the chapter and know what is inside it? So now let us read the chapter. So here is this chapter, students. To the Amazon. Suleiman was excited because his elder brother Zad was going on an adventurous expedition. Adventurous expedition here it is mean that a trip, a research trip for in which adventure is involved. So it is a type of a research trip for explore any new thing. So to the world's largest river, Amazon. This river is situated in South America. Here it is the map of South America, and this green portion shows the Amazon forest, and within it you can see a blue line. This blue line resembles the river Amazon, and this river originates from the Andes mountain, that here from here, and it crosses and 5 countries: Peru, Brazil, Venezuela, Ecuador, and Bolivia. After completing its 6,400 kilometers journey, it drains in the Atlantic Ocean. Here it is the Atlantic Ocean. And it is the largest river because at some places its width is up to 11 kilometers and it almost looks like a sea. Now Suleiman enters the room and convinces him, Zad's room, and convince him for a conversation. As Zad agreed, Suleiman asked, "How is Amazon River and its rainforest that much large?" Now Zad replied that there are two reasons for this. First, it is located at the equator, so it rains here almost every day. That is why it is called rainforest. And second, its shape is like a wash basin, or you can say a plate. Saucer, here saucer it is written, saucer means plate. When it rains here, then all the water flows into the Amazon River. Next, now Suleiman asked that it should be like a beach. Then Zad replied, "No, not at all. Amazon River is surrounded by world's largest rainforest, Amazon rainforest. Here trees are so much close to each other that sunlight cannot reach on the forest floor. No roads and no bridges. We can only travel here through boats, canoes, and pack rafts." See, students, I can here you can see this is a pack raft. This is a pack raft, and this is a canoe. Canoe is a narrow boat of wood. It is also used to it is also like a boat. Next, well, both brothers continue their discussion about Amazon River and search over the internet. Zad tells more about Amazon to the Suleiman and points a picture on the computer screen. He showed the tallest tree of the Amazon, which is as high as 200 feet, and a wide leaves, then the wide leaves of water lily, which is as wide as 300 meters. As you can see the picture, this is the kapok tree, and they can be as tall as 200 feet, and the wide leaves, you can see the leaves over water lily leaves, they can be as wide as 3 meters, sorry, 300 meters. And this is also a picture of water lilies, leaves of the water lily. Now Suleiman asked that how Zad will reach to the Amazon. Zad replied that first he will fly to Lima, the capital of Peru, and from there he will reach to the Amazon. And I will carry very limited food with him. There are over 3,000 varieties of fruits in Amazon, but only 200 of them are eatable. Now Suleiman said that Zad, you should take your camera for taking the pictures of few animals of Amazon. Zad said that Amazon has the largest number of animals and bird species. You should look at these pictures first. Now Suleiman looked over these pictures of the different animals found at Amazon. So here the first picture is the scarlet macaw. It lives up to 60 years or more and eats fruits and nuts. Scarlet macaw is a species of a parrot. Now next is the three-toed sloth. The laziest animal around. It sleeps for about 20 hours a day. It is the laziest animal in the Amazon. Next picture is of an anaconda. You must be knowing about anaconda, the largest snake on earth. It can even gobble up a jaguar. Gobble means it can swallow. It can swallow up a jaguar also. It can eat a jaguar also. Now, giant anteater, famous for its long sticky tongue, uh, which is used to catch insects for food. It can smell insects from afar and eats about 30,000 insects a day. That much insects it can eat in a day. Now next picture is that Harpy eagle, the most powerful eagle in the world. It has claws that are longer than even those of a grizzly bear. Grizzly bear is a bear which are found in at Antarctic. Next is the toucan, the loudest bird in the Amazon. It is famous for its oversized colorful beak called a bill. It's You can see its beak is a very long one. It's called a bill. Next is a jaguar, the largest cat in America. It is the symbol of the rainforest. And the last one is the poison dart frog, the most poisonous creature on the earth. It is very brightly colored and oozes poison through its skin, and the poison comes out from its skin only. If you will touch its skin, you will get infected from its poison. Now, while he was watching at these pictures, where Suleiman was watching at these pictures, something beside the table catches his attention. That was a fishing rod. Here is a picture of a fishing rod. You can see Zad said that he will try to catch fish from 300 different type of fishes. One of them is the most popular is flesh eating fish is piranha. It's piranha fish. This is a piranha fish. Both brothers were busy in conversation. Suddenly their mother entered in the room and tells Zad about the delivery of the 200 bottles of medicated cream at the office. Suleiman heard this and surprisingly asked the reason for that much amount of cream. Zad replied that Amazon has over 2 million species of insects, including scorpions, ticks, and poisonous spiders. Zad showed Suleiman about the dangerous insects over the website. This you can see the scorpion. This is a picture of a scorpion, and this is the picture of a tick. You can see tick is a type of insect who sucks blood from. If he catches our body, then it can sucks blood like mosquito. It can sucks blood from our body. Now next, Zad further says, I think I will be traveling for over a year in the Amazon. It won't be an easy trip, but I will make my dream come true. Suleiman says, of course, Zad, I will be proud of you. And here, students, the chapter ends. Next, here are some difficult words. Uh, you can see there are 20 difficult words. You will write this in your copies, and after that you will learn their meanings and pronunciation also. Okay. Next, try to write the answers of the questions given in your book and rough copy.